everyone! In this series, we will create an RPG game from scratch. We will use plain JavaScript for code, without any dependencies. To do this, we will use a few tools, all free. 1. We will use Notepad++ for our code editor. 2. Tiled for our level editor. 3. Greenfish icon editor to edit our images. 4. Visual Novel Creator for our web server. First, install each software. Next, we need to prepare our web page. Launch Visual Novel Creator, VNC. Create a dialog. Don't worry about everything else. Save the project. Take note of where you save it. Test the project. Don't worry if it does not do anything. Close VNC. Locate the folder where your project was saved. Open the HTML page in Notepad++, NPP. Remove an areas where it loads images. Change the area where it loads a .js file to whatever .js file name you wish to use. Save the HTML as whatever project name you want, as long as different. Finally, create a JS file of that name in Notepad++. Add a dummy function in the module. Next, we need to configure NPP to play out game. Menu run. Enter http://127.0.0.1/myfolder/myfile.html, substituting myfolder for the folder created using VNC and myfile from the NPP HTML file. Now, to test our project. In VNC, start server. Do not need to select a project. In NPP, select run, and the link created earlier. If all is well, a blank page should be shown in the browser. Using your browser, call up the debugger. Every browser is different. In Firefox, Ctrl-Shift-I or menu, more tools, web developer tools. If you look in the console section, it should say working, as that was in our code. That's all for now. You should tinker with Tiled, become familiar with it. You should check out Visual Novel Creator, as we will use that for making our NPC dialogues later. VNC and Tiled export as JSON files. We will work on loading them next time.